Well, gentlemen, one of my favorites, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Touring. This is built by a professional build shop in Northbrook, Illinois. They built it for themselves. They got 6 figures in the car, and now for the first time it's available for sale. I was lucky enough to inquire the vehicle. The body on the car is as straight as a body can be on a 69 Camaro. These guys own their own shop. They did an excellent job. Excellent job. Matte white paint job. It's got a little silver in it, if you can tell. The stripe, you can see me in the paint. This ain't a sticker. This is all hand painted all the way down. American racing wheels, huge brakes all around the car, cross-drilled. LED setup in the back. Big 10 posi. Never seen rust. Wow. Custom built LS2 magnasun supercharger. $750 horse to the motor, 6 1/4 to the rear end. Look at these billet hood hinges. If you guys know about billet hood hinges, you know they're expensive. Yes, we are going to go for a test drive. Stock interior. Set up like a sleeper, to be honest with you guys. Beautiful, beautiful, everything. The best bodywork I've seen. The doors close like butter all around. I can't wait to take this for a test drive. Let's go. It holds the power to the ground. Whoa! What, my Hellcat, this thing will give my Hellcat some problems. That's how fast this mother is. Holy shit. You know what? And it drives, I mean, we're cruising. Low RPM, you're at 2,500 RPM at 75 miles an hour. You got the best of both worlds here, guys. Unfreaking believable, I tell you that. One of the fastest 69 Camaros I have ever owned, but besides my Pro Mod race car that I used to have. Did that for a while, but for the street, this is disturbing. This is sick. This is fast. This is hold on. I mean, and it goes straight. It goes straight down the road, as you saw. Wow, is this thing impressive. Hats off to the guys who built this car. They've owned this car for years. And they built this to put for themselves. They didn't build this to resell it. I know they got 6 figures in the car, easily. The only way, I tell you what, if you're looking for a Pro Touring Camaro that's gonna honestly almost make you shit in your pants and the person in the passenger seats, you're missing out. This is it. If you're out of state, fly into Chicago here. I'll pick you up in the car with this car on a nice day. I guarantee you in 5 minutes you're writing the check. Unfreaking believable. LS2, all redone with a magnasun supercharger, 4L60 automatic trans overdrive, posi unit, unbelievable. Borla exhaust. This car speaks for itself. I'm not trying to sell you the car, really. I'm not trying to convince you to buy the car. If you don't, too bad, you missed out. This is it. Write the check, wire the money, get the car delivered, send me your zip code. Let's get this deal done, guys. Treat yourself to something unfreaking believable. I've been with classic cars for almost 30 years. Okay? This thing lights it up. It checks all the boxes. If you don't get this car, you're missing out. Trust me when I tell you. You guys ready? Is there any cops around here? I'm gonna light them up. Just a roll in here. Don't miss out. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. And I tell you, this white matte paint on the outside is unfreaking believable. It's got a little silver to it. It's unreal. Stock interior. This thing is all go, guys. All go. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. Check out the other cars, mgmclassiccars.com. You love speed, you're buying this car. Done, guaranteed. I'll deliver it to your doorstep. Hell, fly in, you drive it all the way back home if you want. No overheating problems. Honestly, it's 93 degrees here. The car's running at 190. Unbelievable. Call me, text me. Thanks for watching. mgmclassiccars.com.